Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to LGS. So, guess what we got today? We got our Tribe Beauty box. It is the Sisterhood box. This box is all about women, supporting women, women brands, women owned. This is the sister box. This is the group of tribe of sisters supporting each other. This is the box right here, everybody. Okay, so I'm going to leave a timestamp down below for those of you who don't want to hear me rambling on and let you know when I start unboxing what's in this box. But for those of you who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button and don't forget that bell, honey, because that bell is going to tell you whenever I make a new video. Okay, we're going to talk about this box for a minute. So, Tribe Beauty Box is a Canadian subscription box. Woohoo! I'm in Toronto. This box is $34.99 US. I just want to make sure I get all this right, you know, because you know what I'm like, right? I screw up all the time. It's $34.99 US. Shipping to the States, this box goes to the US of A, is $4.99. Shipping in Canada is $5.99. And check this out. For all of my friends across the pond and all around the world, shipping to Europe and Australia is $15, and shipping to the rest of the world is $17. So my girls over, you know where you are over in the UK, across the pond, you know, and my girls in the Netherlands and, you know, in Spain, in Portugal, hey, check it out. You might just be able to get this box. Okay, so this box always comes with 5 full-size products, and it's supposed to be a box for you to do a full face. You got a face product, a skin product, a lip product, an eye product, and there's always a tool. And you can cancel anytime, and make sure when you do sign up, I'll leave my link down below when you sign up to let them know when your birthday is, because you might get a discount, you might get a gift, you don't know. And yeah, it's 100 female owned, and the items in the box are from small indie brands owned by a woman or well-known brands owned by a woman. So woman, hear me roar, okay? That's the way it works. That's the way it should work. All right, anything else I want to say? I think that's pretty much it. Okay, we're going to go into the box. Okay, so the first item in the box is... Oh my goodness. Okay, for those of you wanting to get the August box, like I said, it's bi-monthly. The next box comes out in October, and I think you can still get this box. There are 3 eyeshadow palettes that you get to choose from, of course, while supplies last. But you get to choose, okay? So when you go to check out, you're going to choose which eyeshadow palette you want. And I've been looking at the 3, and I'm hoping this is the one I was looking at going, okay, you know, because y'all know what I'm like, right? I'm a boring-ass chick, but I'm getting out of my comfort zone. And there was a palette in here that I was just like, oh my God. The colors are phenomenal. So let's see. So this is Ruby May Cosmetics. The prices, they didn't send a card because they are trying to help the environment, because you know we're killing it over here, right? So I know all of these little popcorn thingies, they are now biodegradable, and they used to send a card letting you know how much everything was, but that's going to come to you by email now, so they're saving on paper. And also, I think starting in like probably an October box, if something comes with a box, they're going to get it from the brand without the box because it's saving on paper, which is good for you, Tribe. That's awesome. Okay, into this eyeshadow palette. It is cruelty-free. It is from Ruby May Cosmetics, and I got mood because you know I'm always in a mood. I'm in the mood for love. I shouldn't sing, you know I shouldn't sing. Who's your favorite singer, by the way? Look, oh, I just dropped the chummy digger. Look at these colors. Oh my God, see this? Right here. Oh, I died and went to heaven. Okay, we're going to do some swatches. I'm going to try all of this on Saturday. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that one was called Drama. This is called Chaos. I hope I said that right. Chaos. Look. Oh my God, that is a beautiful shimmer. This is called OMW. Now, I'm old. I don't know what OMW means. So if you know what OMW means, please let me know. This is killing it. Look at this color. This is beautiful. Look at that. I should have probably did a better job with drama. I'm not that great at swatching. Look at that. Killing it is gorgeous. This is Queen. And I know my girls are going, Lisa is coming out of her comfort zone. Look at those colors. Oh my God, they're so pigmented. Cosmic. Holy, look at these colors. This is Cosmic. I'm not doing a good job here, am I? No. Lisa, like, hold your hand up right. My swatches are terrible, but look. They are gorgeous. Then we have Extra, and this is the one that just went, okay, girl, you know you love this. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then we have Fire, and this is, those two colors are just yelling at me. Look at that. I cannot wait to play with these colors. Okay, so that is Ruby May Cosmetics. I got Mood. There's two more. They are beautiful. Check them out. And I'm looking for a, you know what I'm looking for, right? One of those chummy diggers. Here we go. I got it. I'm just going to get this all over my hand because that's what I'm like. Yeah, so who's your favorite singer? You know who my favorite singer is of all time? My favorite singer of all time, for those of you who know why I'm saying this, if you don't know, go look at my video, my live video at the end of July. But something special, my favorite singer of all time, and I was thinking about this the other day. I had every one of her CDs. Celine Dion, honey. Celine Dion, because nobody can belt it out like she can. So don't forget, favorite singer is Celine Dion. Next thing in here, we got something from Cargo Cosmetics, and it is a powder blush, and I got Key Largo. What is that song again? Something, Key Largo. Babe, I wanna meet down in, oh, Kokomo. Remember that song, Kokomo? Down in, you know, I probably can't sing any more than that because apparently you're not supposed to. Ooh, look at this color. Oh, I love the packaging. That is so cute. Isn't that cute? I was going to say, when you hit pan on this, you can use it for something, but this is so big. It's going to take you forever to hit pan on this. Look at that. You can even use that as a really nice matte eyeshadow as well. I cannot wait to play with this Saturday. I am playing with everything in this box. A few other things I've gotten. So yeah, we're doing that on Saturday. Oh, look at this. We got this from the BALM. Priming is everything. It is a neutral eyeshadow primer. I love, the BALM has the best packaging. I love the BALM's packaging. And this is the primer. And you know what? I actually tried this primer before. I had bought the BALM new eyeshadow palette, and it had the primer in it. I brought it back to Shoppers because I didn't really like the colors that was in that eyeshadow palette, but I loved this primer. So it's really creamy. I am so excited. Oh, so nice and creamy. I'm so excited to try this out again. I really, really liked it. And let me tell you something. I tried an eyeshadow primer this morning. Like, this is my second face of makeup today. But I tried this eyeshadow palette this morning, and it wasn't that good. My eyeshadow, it looked like I had dried, wrinkly old skin. That was what I used this morning. It was Wet n Wild, I don't know, something. It could have been old, the photo focus, but I use this. I like this primer. This is a really good primer. So I'm excited to have a new primer. Then we got from Kaz Cosmetics. What are you? Luxe Lip Treatment. And I got Milky Way. And how do you open up this chummy digger? Let's see what you are. What are you? What are you? You know, I'm having a problem here. Lisa is struggling. Okay. Just an FYI, some of these shadows leave a little bit of pigment behind, but not much. You know what that means? That means it's going to stay on all day. Oh my God, what a pain in the butt it is to wear an eyeshadow and, you know, 2 hours later it's off your eyes. And I just dropped the box because that's what I do, right? Holy crackers. I'm always dropping the boxes. Okay, so this is what it is. That is so pretty. I got Milky Way. And it's a gloss. Let's see. Oh, it's like this. Ooh. I don't know if I can call that purplish or brown. It's not quite showing up on the video what it looks like here to me. But I'm liking you, girl. Yes, I am. I don't know if it's gonna, it's like a, it's a really nice gloss. It's got, oh, it's got a fruity smell. Nice, okay, I like that. I like them apples. Hold on. Oh, it's a good thing we all got feet, right? Okay, so that was that. Wow, this box just keeps on going. Okay, the last thing in this box, like I said, you always get 5 full-size items, and it's always to help you do a full face. So we got a full face here. We got the BELLAPIERRE HD Setting Spray. That is fabulous. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Okay, the spritzer is a little bit too much, so you want to pull it back a bit if you're spraying your face, because it comes really strong and at you. But the smell's not that bad. And where's my blotter? My blender, because I now got it all over my face like a real wingnut. But yeah, that's the box. I would suggest, if you don't like the spritzer, if you actually have a bottle that you like where it sprays out, then pour it in that bottle, or take this cover and put your other cover, if it's this size, and put it in here, your spritzer thing. That's what I would suggest to do with this spritzer, because it comes in a little bit too thick. Okay, and I also got a card in here, so you can go down through my link. I'm going to leave it down below in my description box. And if you use the code BFF10, you're going to get 10% off. So again, this box, it is $34.99 US. Shipping to the US is, what did I say? Shipping to the US is $4.99, Canada $5.99. Europe and Australia, which is so freaking cool, is $15, and the rest of the world is $17. That's awesome. I think you can get this box. I think you can still get this here box, and there's 3 eyeshadow palettes to choose from. When you go on Tribe's website, you'll see the other 2. They're fabulous. Ruby May, can't wait to do it. Saturday, you are all over my face. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to like my video. Please don't forget, if you're new, to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. And everyone, don't forget, my live is going to be Sunday, the 18th of August at 2 p.m. And don't forget about my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Say goodbye, Maddie. We're going to go put some rollers in our hair now. Bye. I love you.